UX/UI designer, crafting seamless user experiences. In today's digital age, user experience, UX, and user interface UI design have become critical components in creating successful and impactful digital products. UX/UI designers are tasked with crafting intuitive and engaging experiences that captivate users and fulfill their needs. This article delves into the world of UX/UI design, exploring its principles, processes, and the valuable role it plays in shaping digital interactions. Understanding UX/UI design. UX/UI design is a multidisciplinary field that encompasses the design of both the user experience, UX, and the user interface, UI, of a product. UX design focuses on understanding users, their behaviors, needs, and goals, and creating experiences that meet and exceed their expectations. On the other hand, UI design is concerned with the visual and interactive elements of a product, including the layout, colors, typography, and overall aesthetics. The role of UX/UI designers. UX/UI designers are responsible for bridging the gap between users and digital products. They collaborate closely with stakeholders, developers, and other designers to translate user needs into tangible design solutions. Their role involves conducting user research, creating wireframes and prototypes, designing visually appealing interfaces, and continuously iterating and improving the user experience. Principles of UX/UI design. To create effective and delightful user experiences, UX/UI designers adhere to several key principles. User-centered design. User-centered design places the needs and preferences of users at the forefront of the design process. It involves understanding user behaviors, conducting user research, and incorporating user feedback to inform design decisions. By prioritizing the user's perspective, designers can create products that are intuitive, efficient, and enjoyable to use. Information architecture. Information architecture focuses on organizing and structuring content in a way that is logical and easily navigable for users. It involves creating clear hierarchies, categorizing information, and designing intuitive navigation systems. Effective information architecture helps users find what they need quickly and efficiently. Wireframing and prototyping. Wireframing and prototyping are crucial steps in the design process. Wireframes are low-fidelity visual representations of the user interface, outlining the placement of elements and the overall layout. Prototypes, on the other hand, are interactive mock-ups that allow designers to test and validate design concepts before moving into development. These tools help designers iterate on their ideas and gather valuable user feedback. Visual design. Visual design focuses on creating visually appealing interfaces that align with the brand identity and evoke positive emotions in users. It involves selecting appropriate colors, typography, imagery, and graphical elements to enhance the overall look and feel of the product. Visual design plays a vital role in capturing users' attention, establishing visual hierarchy, and guiding them through the interface. Interaction design. Interaction design is concerned with designing the interactive elements and behaviors within a digital product. It involves defining how users interact with the interface, including the navigation, buttons, forms, and animations. Interaction designers strive to create seamless and intuitive interactions that facilitate smooth user journeys and provide meaningful feedback. UX/UI design process. The UX/UI design process typically follows a series of iterative steps to ensure a user-centered and data-driven approach. Here are the key phases. User research. User research involves understanding the target users, their motivations, goals, and pain points. Designers employ various techniques such as interviews, surveys, and observation to gather insights that inform the design process. Concept development. Based on the research findings, designers brainstorm and ideate potential design solutions. This phase involves sketching, creating user personas, and defining user flow to visualize the product structure and features. Wireframing and prototyping. Designers create wireframes, which are skeletal representations of the interface layout and content structure. These wireframes serve as a blueprint for the user interface. Prototypes are then developed to test the interactions and gather feedback from users. Visual design. In this phase, the visual design elements are incorporated, including the selection of colors, typography, imagery, and visual styles. The aim is to create a visually cohesive and appealing interface that aligns with the brand and enhances the user experience. User testing and iteration. Designers conduct usability testing with real users to evaluate the effectiveness and usability of the design. Feedback and insights gathered during testing inform iterative improvements to the design, ensuring that it meets the user's needs and expectations. Trends in UX/UI design. The field of UX/UI design is dynamic and constantly evolving. Here are some notable trends shaping the industry. Mobile first design. As mobile usage continues to rise, designing for mobile devices has become a priority. Mobile-first design involves prioritizing the mobile experience and designing interfaces that are optimized for smaller screens, touch interactions, and on-the-go usage. Micro-interactions. Micro-interactions are small, subtle animations and feedback elements that enhance the user experience. They provide visual cues, respond to user actions, and create a sense of delight and engagement. Examples include button animations, loading spinners, and notification indicators. Voice User Interface, VUI. With the rise of voice assistants and smart devices, voice user interfaces have gained prominence. VUI design focuses on creating conversational and natural interactions through voice commands and responses. Designers must consider context and user intent and provide clear prompts to guide users effectively. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR. AR and VR technologies offer immersive and interactive experiences. UX/UI designers are exploring ways to incorporate these technologies into products to provide users with unique and engaging experiences. From virtual shopping to interactive gaming, AR and VR open up new possibilities for UX/UI design. Inclusive design. The inclusive design emphasizes creating products that are accessible and usable by a diverse range of users, including those with disabilities. Designers consider factors such as color contrast, readability, assistive technologies, and inclusive interactions to ensure equal access for all users and enhance the overall user experience. The impact of UX/UI design. Effective UX/UI design has a significant impact on digital products and user satisfaction. Here are some key benefits. Improve user engagement. Intuitive and visually appealing interfaces captivate users, keeping them engaged and increasing the chances of conversions, interactions, and return visits. Enhanced usability. By following user-centered design principles, UX/UI designers create interfaces that are easy to navigate, understand, and interact with. This improves the overall usability of the product and reduces user frustration. Increased conversion rates. Well-designed interfaces guide users through the desired actions and help them accomplish their goals. This leads to higher conversion rates, such as completing purchases, signing up for services, or submitting forms. Brand differentiation. A well-executed UX/UI design sets a product apart from competitors. It reflects the brand's personality, values, and identity, creating a memorable and distinctive user experience. Positive user perception. Users associate a seamless and enjoyable experience with a high-quality and trustworthy brand. Positive user perceptions lead to customer loyalty, positive word of mouth, and increased brand reputation. Cost and time savings. Investing in UX/UI design upfront helps identify and address usability issues early in the development process. This reduces the need for costly redesigns and fixes in later stages. Conclusion. UX/UI design plays a pivotal role in creating successful digital products that resonate with users. By prioritizing user needs, employing user-centered design principles, and embracing emerging trends, UX/UI designers shape the future of digital interactions. The impact of well-crafted UX/UI design extends beyond aesthetics, driving user engagement, conversion rates, and brand differentiation. In today's competitive digital landscape, investing in UX/UI design is essential for delivering exceptional user experiences. Frequently asked question: what is the difference between UX and UI design? UX design focuses on the overall user experience, including research, usability, and interaction design. UI design, on the other hand, deals with the visual and interactive elements of the interface, such as layout, colors, and typography. What skills are essential for a UX/UI designer? Essential skills for a UX/UI designer include user research, information architecture, wireframing and prototyping, visual design, and knowledge of interaction design principles. Additionally, skills in usability testing, collaboration, and problem solving are valuable. How does UX/UI design contribute to business success? UX/UI design contributes to business success by improving user engagement, increasing conversions, and building a positive brand reputation. A well-designed user experience can differentiate a product and create loyal customers. What are some popular UX/UI design tools? Popular UX/UI design tools include Sketch, Adobe XD, Figma, InVision, and Axure. These tools provide designers with capabilities for wireframing, prototyping, visual design, and collaboration. How does inclusive design impact UX/UI design? Inclusive design ensures that products are accessible and usable by a diverse range of users, including those with disabilities. By considering inclusivity, UX/UI designers create interfaces that accommodate different needs and provide equal access to information and interactions.